Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be doing a week in my life in Jamaica. So today I'm gonna head to 𝐤𝐤𝐬's because I need to get some household stuff, and I need to get like some fridge organizers and the curtain rod thingy, and maybe whatever other things that might pique my interest. So that's the plan for today. I also wanted to get a cat, but my sister is like, no, not yet. So maybe I'm gonna get the cat in a few days or so. So yeah, because I need a cat. See, look for a juicer. I wanna see the price for a juicer. They have air fryer 25,000 to 50, and rice cooker. I used a rice cooker yesterday, you know. Yeah, it worked alright. Let me see how much. 18,000 for. Oh, this is not what I got. 24,000. The microwave don't get expensive enough. 23. What could I buy in here? Because it's almost the same. But 19. Okay, put more. Oh, but they have sanders. I get here for sure.
Don't take it out, slide it.
I can't take it out. I have to get assistance. Have not long here. Edge control. So why I don't know why they do the hair, but maybe people will go in there and try out stuff. They have scented candles too, but they're too expensive. We just left 𝐤𝐤𝐬's. We got some curtain rods and some other random things. So we're gonna head to this hardware store in Red Hills, on Red Hills Road, I think. Here you go.
Hello, Miss Cutie. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Right. Yeah. So. You know, see you? Anyways, what we're gonna do now? Where we're going? I don't know. We're just on the road running some errands and things. But I want to go to 𝐵𝐴𝐻𝐾 too again, because I've been to 𝐵𝐴𝐻𝐾 so many times. Well, not so many. Probably this is going to be my third time since I've been here. I've been to 𝐵𝐴𝐻𝐾. Yeah. But we're going to go to Red Hills Road, maybe now, to check another hardware store. Because I need to just check what they have and see if I need to buy anything else. And then, we're going to go to Portmore, because I need to get a juicer. I need to get a microwave. And then we go to 𝐵𝐴𝐻𝐾 in Spanish Town. And then we'll go home. But we're probably gonna get food in between somewhere. There. Looking for a road traffic on this side of the road as yet. I'm hungry. We're not, well,
You cannot put over it, please.
yeah, that's fine.
Anti-slippery moss.
Wait, which one?
Cheaper here.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
actually.
We're not buying no. But wait there. Who could I buy? This is 129 and 130. Can I buy one of them, yeah? Yeah. Not that blue one, yeah. I want one with more color. Yeah, this is nice to put in the bathroom, but maybe not this color because the bathroom is white and black theme. That look too.
You want this one?
Maybe, I guess maybe this could work. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Probably that could work. But in the color, because you want a color that can match everything. So I'd have to go with maybe something that's whitish. Maybe like this. What do you think? Something like this. Because it has to match everything. Something like that. Yeah. I mean, but I don't like it though.
Go put it back. Buy it.
Alright.
really nice. Unless you want the red.
I don't
Or
hear.
you want them small one, this one to see.
That's too small unless we're gonna get multiple. Alright, I'm gonna leave it because I don't want to buy any next thing. It doesn't match.
This look
Yeah, I like this. But how much for it though? It's up maybe $700. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, and it's green, so it's gonna match everything. And then we can probably put stuff on it. They have. Let me see like this. 8,000. 8,000. They have table and stuff. All kind of random things. Ooh, teddy cupboard. Wonder how much for it. There's no price on it. OMG, these facets are so affordable. Actually thought this was 3,000 something. Even though the one I will buy it for 15,000, you know. 3,000 for this. This place is very cheap. Very, very cheap. They don't last long?
Yeah. That's what I mean.
I'm gonna go down in that aisle. They have some stuff in here. I feel like I'll go need it. Everything is made in China. I'm gonna get this one, but they have some really nice clocks here and they're affordable. Like 1,500, 1,900. This is for 3,000 something, but I'm getting the cheaper one, which is this one. Yeah, I think we're gonna like make this right now. I'm gonna keep this in my hand, so I don't want to break it. But yeah, I don't think we need any bulbs. Do we need any bulbs? Maybe not. 600, 800. It's fine. Yeah, any color is fine because mosquito zappo. Okay. Okay.
Or you want them type?
And which one is cheaper? We're going for the cheaper one. The cheapest one. These and things. Alright guys, so this is a new day and we are heading to a river in St. Andrew. So this is actually a river that is located in my friend's backyard, my high school friend. So we decided to just go to the, I've been wanting to go there for years, so I finally decided to just take my family and we're gonna go to this river in St. Andrew, which is my friend literal backyard, and we're gonna have a good time. River. This is river in my friend's backyard. So I made it to the river and we're just relaxing right now. I can't swim and I actually fell in the water and my camera got wet, so I'm recording it on my phone. My phone and my camera got wet and I got a cut on my phone. So guys, I busted my knee, scraped my leg. Oh my god. Anyways, we got the river. Okay guys, so today we are heading to Ocho Rios. We booked a hotel in Ochi, Royal Decameron. So this was like a last minute booking, like we wanted to go somewhere and the night before we decided, okay, let's see what hotels are available. Mind you, this was in December, so I'm way behind on my editing and all of that, but that's fine, you know. It is what it is. But anyway, so it was December, the busy periods. We wanted to go somewhere that was not too expensive, because the hotels during that time, December time, way expensive, way too expensive. So we found right at the Cameron, and we decided to just book it. So we made it safely. We're gonna do just a quick room tour. Hey YouTube fam, so we're here at Royal Cameron Hotel. We're about to go get some dinner. Just here chilling on the patio, waiting on this boy to finish scrolling through social media. I told him that the food is almost done, so that's why he came out. I know he's recording me. Anyways, look at the view, people. I don't really like this hotel because the room that they gave us, why are you coming so close to my face? The room that they gave us, it has no view. So because it has no view, like, I don't like it because I wanted to see the beach or whatever. But the thing is, because we booked it last night, and the other prices were like over $1,000, and we ain't paying that for 2 nights. So so we got this room for very cheap, so I guess we paid for what we get. Anyways, we're gonna go get some food, but I feel like I want to throw up for some reason. Alright, so we're gonna get food now. It's a little chilly over here. They put us in the courtyard, which is far away from everything else. Maybe because we booked last night, so all of the other places we're booked. But that's literally the gate. Look, here's the gate. We gotta walk all the way here back to the check-in area. Ever. My wig is shifting. Not a good thing for me. The sun is at my hands.
Oh no, that's fair.
Oh, so we're all here, right in the sea, near to the sea. We're actually in the sea because the water is right here. This was built in the sea, so we're out in the sea, out under the sea, under the sea. I don't like right here, so let's go back, because if anything happens, we're right out all the way.
Water.
What the heck is that shadow thingy? Water is coming in. Okay, well, I think right here is not deep. Yeah, so we're heading back. We wanted to see the view over here, you know. So we're heading back to the resort section. I probably will head back. Oh, I got a strawberry daiquiri and I added alcohol to it. I really don't like alcohol that much. Actually, it worsens the taste of drinks, in my opinion. Anyways, what's going on with the lighting is throwing off the entire view right here. this is checkout day. See you guys tomorrow. So yeah, Devanos. Guys, please excuse the little blurriness that you see right there. It's actually a watermark from when the camera fell into the river. Alright guys, so I got patty and I could not go to Devanos and not eat Devanos ice cream. So we're at Emancipation Park. We went to Devanos earlier. We're just here to chill, pretty much. Relax, enjoy the view, taking some cool breeze because today hot. I did my hair earlier today too. I'm going on the road later on, so that's that. What else? Yeah, just taking it easy. I've not been recording that much, and that's because I just want to live in the moment, you know, and not be recording all the time, you know. It is what it is. But this annoying water spot is crazy, yo. Why does it sound like somebody's singing? Thank you guys for making it all the way to the end. I really and truly appreciate you guys for supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.